Good morning, dear students. Second chapter, forms of business organization. In that, we are going to discuss meaning of forms of business organization, then types of business organization. Totally, we have 5 types of business organization, or else 5 forms of business organization. In that, first one is sole proprietorship. Second one is partnership. First one is sole proprietorship. Then second one is partnership form. Sole proprietorship, we already discussed regarding about the meaning of sole proprietorship, then features of sole proprietorship, then advantages and limitations of sole proprietorship. Next, second one is partnership. In partnership, we already discussed meaning of partnership and definition of partnership firm and features of partnership firm, then advantages of partnership firm, then limitations of partnership firm, and then meaning of partners and types of partners. Now next topic is types of partnership. Types of partnership. So now my question is, what is partnership? What is partnership? Partnership refers to, it is one form of business organization. It is one form of business organization established by minimum 2 partners, maximum 50 partners. They agree to share both profit and losses equally. Okay. Next, types of partnership. It includes 2 types of partnership. In that, first one is on the basis of duration, or else on the basis of time or period. Partnership can be classified on the basis of, first one is time. Next one is on the basis of liability. On the basis of liability. First one is on the basis of duration or time. In that, first one is partnership at will. Second one is particular partnership. First one is partnership at will. Partnership at will refers to the partnership is made in between 2 or more partners for a specific period of time more than 5 years or a long term. That is partnership at will. See, 2 or more partners agree to share both profit and losses, or else the partnership is made for more than 5 years. That is partnership at will or long-term partnership. See, next one is particular partnership or else specific partnership. Particular partnership or specific partnership. It is one form of partnership classified on the basis of duration or time, but here the partnership time is only short period. The partnership period is only short period. Here the time of partnership is long term. Here the time of partnership is only short term. For example, agreement between or partnership is made between 2 engineers. The partnership is made in between 2 engineers for construction of a home or house. See, on that time, the partnership is made in between 2 or more persons for a short period only. For example, construction of a building takes 2 years. Construction of a building takes 2 years. It is particular partnership. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Short term only, short term. Here the agreement is made between 2 or more partners for a long period of time. For example, X, Y, Z are partners. They are conducting a partnership for 10 years. For 10 years. ಇಲ್ಲಿ partnership na conduct ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 10 years. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 years ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 years ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ less than 5 years ಇದೆ, less than more than 5 years ಇದೆ. Here the partnership is made between two or more partners or more than 5 years. So we are able to treat this is partnership between or long-term partnership. Here the partnership is made between two or more partners or less than 2 years. So this is short period or specific period or particular partnership. Okay, next one is partnership can be classified on the basis of liability, on the basis of responsibility or liability. So here first one is general partnership, second one is limited partnership. First one is general partnership, next one is limited partnership. We are classifying partnership on the basis of liability. Here limited liability, here the liability of partners are unlimited or joint liability. Two or more partners are liable to face more liability or unlimited liability or joint liability in general partnership. Here the registration of partnership form is no compulsory. See, general partnership registration is no compulsory. Each partnership firm are liable to register under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. But the general partnership, it is non-compulsorily registered under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. See, in case of death of partners, in case of retirement of partner, in case of insolvency of partner, in case of insanity of partner. See, in case of death of partner, in case of retirement of partner, in case of insolvency or insanity of partner, which may affect on the business, in case death of each partners, in case of retirement of each partner, in case of insolvency or insanity of each partner, the business organization goes to winding up or closing up. business ಇದೆ death, retirement, insolvency, insanity ಆದಾಗ, ಡೆತ್ ಆದಾಗ, ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ವೀಕ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೆತ್, ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, insolvency, insanity, lunacy, they may affect on the business organization or partnership business. Next one is limited partnership. This is general partnership, and then second one is limited partnership. Here the liability is limited. Here the liability is limited. See, large number of partners are there. They may share both profit and losses as they hold the responsibility of the business organization equally. If number of partners increases, the liability simultaneously decreases. See here the liability is limited only. The liability ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ liability ಇದೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. See, the registration is compulsory. See, in a limited partnership, the registration is compulsory. General partnership registration compulsory illa. Particular partnership only registration compulsory. Here in the general partnership the registration is compulsory, but in the limited partnership the registration is compulsory, but in the general partnership the registration compulsory agta ide. ಇಲ್ಲಿ registration ನಾವು compulsory ಮಾಡಿಸೋದೇ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ registration ನಾವು compulsory ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. See, registration compulsory ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ liability ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೆ, unlimited. The partner number of partners ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ liability ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ liability ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ, liability ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, liability ಕಡಿಮೆ. Limited liability, unlimited liability. More liability, less liability. Number of partners ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು less. ಇಲ್ಲಿ number of partners ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಓಕೆ, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸಾಲ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸಾನಿಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ದು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೆತ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ವೀಕ್ ಆದಾಗ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೆತ್, insolvency, insanity, lunacy of the other partners may not affect on the business or organization, because here the number of partners are generally more than general partnership. In case of retirement, insolvency, lunacy, insanity of partners, the partnership firm will be continued by other partners or remaining partners in limited partnership. Okay, next topic is partnership D. We will discuss next class, guys. Thank you.